now. Hey guys, Sports03 here, and we're gonna have a Nerf 4 video. Thanks for all the subscribing. 4 subscribers, 2 videos. I'm really loving it. So let's get to the Nerf 4. I'm Dublin. I'm Dublin. He's Alex, and he is
Alex.
John. He's John.
And I'm Jet Jones, the cameraman. What's up, boy?
And he's Jet Jones, and we're gonna have a Nerf 4. This is gonna be fun. Okay, so let's get to the bases now. My base is gonna be behind the truck. Alex's base is gonna be in his yard, which is that yard with the fences.
Does he take a dump in his yard?
Shut up, dude. His base is gonna
Okay.
be here in my yards.
You know what? Scratch that. I'm a baseball player.
And he's a baseball player. He's a pro.
I'm a baseball player.
He's awesome. Okay, so guys, let's get started.
Oh, and I have to put myself in the start. Hi. Okay.
Okay,
Really?
so let's everybody go to the races. I have a whopping of 5 guns. He has 3. He has 2.
Don't just follow me around, follow them.
Okay.
Oh, great, now you follow me around.
Jet.
Stay back.
Fill the middle. Right there. 10, 3, 2,
I changed bases. This is my base right here.
1. Start. Let's go.
I'm your stalker.
Gun jam.
Hi.
Let's throw this gun.
Ooh, you want to screw that gun? No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, okay? Ah, attack! Ow, you shot me.
My gun's jammed. My gun's jammed. It's jammed too.
Oh, attack!
My gun's jammed.
I got 1 yard.
My mighty fist.
Left bullet.
Oh, crap.
Whoa! Ooh, nice house. Ah.
Get a different gun.
That's why you don't have.
Stalking Nick.
Leave me alone.
Hi, I'm your best friend. Hey, little boy.
Go away.
Got it. My name is Jet Jones, reporting live from the Nerf 4. I got wounded in battle. I got shot in the knee. Someone's shooting at the street. Hey, you stole my gun! Why, you little?
Okay, now I'm doing 2 shots at once.
Give me my gun, boy. Give me my gun. Give me my gun. Give me my gun. Give me my gun. Oh, never mind. There's my gun.
I shoot 2 bullets at once because I got this awesome pro gun.
Sorry. I got... Oh, my God!
Now he's shooting at
Dude,
me.
I can't.
He got this gun.
Reloading.
Hold on.
I'm hot. Oh, darn it. I'm out on every one of my weapons. I'm not on every single one of my weapons.
Oh, in your face.
Cameraman's gun. Cameraman has
Oh, crap.
Really, Jet? Did you have to do that? You shot all your bullets on me.
No, I didn't.
Hey.
What?
The gun gets jammed a lot. All your guns are getting jammed.
Not mine.
Hey, Goblin! Can I use this glue gun that's right here?
Yeah.
I'm out.
No.
Oh, a bullet.
I want bullet in the freaking handle.
Guys, it looks like this video is over.
No! I didn't even get a chance!
Okay, I guess this video is over.
No!
This is Sports 03 signing out.
Oh, wait. One more thing.
This is Sports 03 signing out.
With a shot. Yeah,
Bye.
boy.